Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people think that they can make as much noise as they want, while others think that the amount of noise people make should be strictly controlled. Discuss both views and include your own opinion and examples. Pollution is not confined to the contamination of air, however, it causes the noisy surroundings further deteriorating the health. Consequently, the people while working or studying suffer a lot due to the lack of focus as they are unable to concentrate. The physical ailments include stress, sleep disturbances, and hearing problems or increased blood pressure, headache, etc. However, being the part of daily life, there can be limit on noisy activities, so laws can be made to reduce its adverse impacts. To start with, noise is a major cause of concern as it creates the disturbance for the people who have to focus on the task they are doing. If they are in vicinity full of noise, then the survival will be tough and the workers can never focus on their work, which affects their performance, and the same goes for students. Besides, the children are disturbed due to the commotion, and the old people also cannot pay attention, so they suffer from health issues. Besides, if the surrounding is noisy and the students do not focus on their exams, then they may face failure, which affects their career. On the flip side, sometimes, noise is temporary, especially for the essential work, which cannot be neglected, such as construction. Some activities also include noise during public events, which can be religious or political. Mostly, night parties and the open-air resorts are common, which make people dance on the songs played loud, ultimately rejuvenating them. In this way, the attendees enjoy and have fun for the purpose of recreation. In conclusion, although noise causes problems, yet the proper check on the loudness it creates may help to keep it in check. It can be allowed for a limited time when others are less affected simultaneously. It is important to strike a balance between individual enjoyment and community welfare. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.